Are you ready? Stand by. If you are finished, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down and holster. Range is clear. Time 1031.
That's not a good one.
Sorry for the wigglies.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you.
0. 4. 2.
Oh, he's got it all.
3.
What's that?
I was looking for tape. I see
Come
you
on.
got plenty of it.
You know, everybody that's done this, me, you pick up your gun and you're thinking of your chamber around.
Did I?
We all did it.
Yeah. Yep.
I don't know if you noticed me hesitate too.
A little bit. It was just like a millisecond.
What'd you do? You take your
but-
slide stop lever out?
You know, actually, what I did is for a while.
Because your gun doesn't lock back when it's
it never
empty.
does. No. Because the way that I hold it, I'm high on it, and this thumb sits right on the
Oh, okay.
mag release, or the slide release. Oh, thank you so much.
Come on out again.
All right, Charlie is next. All right, Charlie, make ready.